Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML350 4MATIC. This comes with a silver exterior and a black interior. Does have a sunroof. Formatic Mercedes-Benz and an ML350 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Plenty of trunk space there. Rear seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. There's driver seat controls and driver door controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 59,531. And we do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. And climate control, center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.